Here are some basic tips for maintenance. Set reminders. Create a maintenance calendar to stay on top of filter cleanings and tedious checks. Consider an annual service contract. Regular professional servicing and discounts can save you money. You can also handle some basic upkeep at home. Regular filter cleaning. Turn off the water and unplug. Remove and rinse filters. Let them dry before reinserting. Water tank cleaning. Drain and clean with vinegar solution. Rinse and dry completely. Monitor performance. Bad taste or slow flow? Check filters. Strange noises? Time to service. TDS level testing. Use a TDS meter to ensure water purity. Ideal range 0 to 200 ppm for drinking water. Each filter should maintain a flow rate of at least 100 ml per minute. If it's lower, it's time to replace the filter. Also, monitor the filling time of the storage tank. If the filling time exceeds twice the normal duration, call for service. If it doesn't improve after service, it's time to replace the filters. By keeping up with these simple tasks, filter cleaning, tank upkeep, performance checks and TDS testing, you'll ensure your water purifier runs smoothly. Stay proactive, stay hydrated and keep your water safe.